Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find your security code on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Next, tap the Money tab at the bottom left. It looks like a little house or card icon. At the top of the screen, select your Cash App card. Once it opens, swipe your virtual card to the left to reveal more details. Now, look for the eye icon in the top right corner of the card. Tap that and your security code will appear right away. And that's it. Fast and simple. And that's how to find your security code on Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.